Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, we're going to take a look at text conditional formatting rules. Now, I already have the bar up. If you don't, you can highlight an area, go to Format, go to Conditional Formatting, and then you'll see the conditional formatting rules. So in this example, we're going to switch this to each one of the text ones. You can see here in this example sheet, there's the different rules, and we can apply them to a range. In this case, let's say that it is empty. Then you can show what color you want. Let's say if it's empty, maybe you want orange, and that can help with a large data set to see which ones don't have any text or field in it. So you can tell here that it is not empty. Let's say that I put something in, hi, and that field will now change because that rule is no longer true. I'm just going to do Control Z to undo and have that there. The next rule is not empty. Say in this case, we have a number here, 3. And add a rule is not empty. It does include if it's a 3, if it's a special character, like an underscore, any sort of thing in there outside of nothing. When I hit done, next is text contains. Now, the text contains rule allows for a value or a formula. And so this can get different aspects too. So one example for this would be hi. So anytime the word hi is in here, it's going to highlight, and let's switch it to a blue. Let's say that we have yes. Yes does not have hi, so that's not going to work. Let's say that we have hi. Hi, you. That'll work as well because it has hi in it. That would also work if it's high, like altitude. Now, where it will not work is if it's backwards. Since that's not a H to an I, that's not going to work. Now, if you're getting into the formulas, that is going to get into some of the custom rules and how to use it there. But one of the things you can do is you can have a formula as simple as equal and then put it into, like, let's say B5. So B5, hit done, and then you can have text. That's not going to contains, and that will something. And this will as well because text contains, that string is there. And without getting too complicated, you could also switch it to left of this, and then you can go, let's say, 3. And so the leftmost text would be the TEX. So text is my dog. Anything like that. You could also have hello, text is my dog. But then if you don't have TEX and there's a space in there, then it's no longer. You can get into a little bit more complex formulas. And let's say what's in A5. This range go down to, let's say, C9. And the text contain is going to be equal A5 with no absolute references. What this is saying is if whatever is in here contains that. These are all blank. If we go hi, D, yes. So maybe we have something like if there's an A, B, C, D, E. In this, text is my dog and a good boy. Since the A is in there, it's going to include hi, Bob will be there. Doug will not. But Doug will include this D here. And then the E, Fred. So you can see here, now this is getting into a little bit more complex one. And what's going on with this reference, and again, we'll talk a little bit more on this with custom rules, is that whatever you're doing here is going to be for the first cell, and then it'll continue down. So since this is starting in C5, it's going to highlight C5 based off of A5. Now, if you switch one of these, like if you say we're starting at A4, it's going to then get pushed up one, and then the conditions are going to be different. So A5 is going to be 4. So with that nothing, A's, then B, then C. Let's go look at the text does not contain. Hello. Let's make this a yellow, hit done. It is important, it does matter the range. Both of these are true. This does not contain hello, and it does contain this. But because this is first, that's what's going to get highlighted. So if you switch this over, now it's there because this does not include hello, it includes hi. If you switch the hi to hello, then it's going to switch over. It is important to note that the order does matter. And, we can even include this to be C5 to C9. And since all of those don't include hello, then it's there. But then when you add a hello, then it's going to be untrue. Look at the next rule and then continue down. Text starts with means that it has to have this hello at the front. Now, since hello is going to get into some of the other ones, let's switch this to hi. Let's go ahead and switch this to the same range just to see when this would work. Since this is the lowest in there and all of these have a true, that's not going to make a difference. So let's put this up at the top. Now this one that has hi Bob, that's going to work. Doug, hi. That one is not going to, even though this is at the top, because it has to start with it. Similarly, if I put a space here, it's not going to work because that space is first. It has to have the HI. You can also note that it's not case sensitive. Text ends with, same thing. And one tip is if you want to have the same rule for the same range, you can actually click into one, add another rule, and maybe we want to say text ends with HI. I'm going to just switch this one to a purple. I don't think I've used a purple. And just for fun, let's go ahead and make that a different format too. Since this is at the end of these, this one that should be in it is not. It's actually turning yellow. So if I switch this up above yellow, now you can see that that actually switches. Now these two at the top won't make a difference because it's the start and the end, but just know that the order can matter. I'm just going to add another rule and then say text is exactly. Text is exactly high will require it to be completely only high. So let's switch this hi Bob to just hi. And since this is at the lowest, it's not going to work. So let's switch this over to here, hi, switch it to hi Bob, and that works. Maybe here, we'll just do hi. And it's yellow, hi. And it's orange because there's that space there. So again, it has to be exactly. So again, those are the main text rules, and they can get into some complexity. But these are the basics for text. Hopefully you find this helpful. Don't forget to do those social things, like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye now.